from written English to spoken. What do you and what are you? Both change to Whaddaya at a natural speed. Both what do you and what are you change to Whaddaya. This is exactly the same pronunciation. So, how do we know if we're hearing what do you or what are you? We listen for the verb. If it's what are you, we should have verb plus an ing ending. Example, if I say at a natural speed, what are you doing? Can you hear do plus ing, doing? This means what are you doing because the verb has an ing ending. If the meaning of Whaddaya is what do you, the verb will have no ending, no ing. Example, what do you want? Okay, we have want with no ing, so Whaddaya means what do you? What do you want is what do you want? Also, Whaddaya has two parts, whadda plus ya. We already learned that ya means you. Whadda means either what do or what are. So if we have Whaddaya, it's either what do you or what are you. But if the subject isn't you, then whadda means only what do or what are. Example, what do they need? The subject is they. So whadda either means what do or what are. The verb does not have an ing, so it means what do. What do they need? Okay, let's practice a longer conversation than the last lesson. We always start at the first listening level, which is, do you understand the basic information? So let's listen, choose the correct answer, and answer this question. What's the subject of this conversation?
What are you doing this weekend? Not much. What do you have in mind? Bungee jumping. What do you think? Maybe. What do we need to bring? What do we need? Water, some backpacks.
Okay, that's right. Number 3 is correct. Weekend plans. Okay, how are you doing? Everything okay? All right, I'd like you to listen again. Choose the best answer. And please answer this question. What does one friend suggest?
What are you doing this weekend? Not much. What do you have in mind? Bungee jumping. What do you think? Maybe. What do we need to bring? What do we need? Water, some backpacks.
Number 3 is correct. Bungee jumping. Have you ever been bungee jumping? Okay, I think you're ready for our advanced level. So let's try it again with this higher listening level. Can you hear the words? Listen, you'll hear natural spoken English. Write the correct written English on a piece of paper or in your notes.
What are you doing this weekend? Not much. What do you have in mind? Bungee jumping. What do you think? Maybe. What do we need to bring? What do we need? Water, some backpacks.
Wonderful. Now listen again and check your answers.
What are you doing this weekend? Not much. What do you have in mind? Bungee jumping. What do you think? Maybe. What do we need to bring? What do we need? Water, some backpacks.
Okay, great job. Great, great, great. Now I would like you to go to lesson 3. Remember that every lesson reviews everything we've learned so far. So in lesson 1, we learned you, is pronounced ya at a natural speed. Do ya? Do you like Thai food? In lesson 2, which is this lesson, we learned that what do you and what are you are both pronounced Whaddaya. Now in the next lesson, lesson 3, we're going to learn one of the most common sentences in spoken English. So I'll see you over there.